So I'm in the list.cshtml, which is a view where we will display the list of all the candy, and then we will place it into the render body. So this is where the list of the candy will be rendered. So let's assign some classes here. And first, for the main div, we want to assign few classes for the columns. So let's make this column small of the size 4 and assign it another column size for the large 4, and finally also for the middle, so column MD4. And inside we can start adding the images as well as the description, and the images that we want to add in the list are the thumbnails. So we'll create another div with a class called thumbnails. And the first thing I need to display is the actual thumbnail. So we assign an image with the source, and the source for the image is of course coming from the model. Here in the model for the candy, you can see we have an image thumbnail URL, which is one of the properties, and that's what we are going to add here. So we'll start with the razor syntax and simply go to our candy as we loop through them in a for each loop dot image thumbnail URL. And since this is an image tag, we'll do an alternate text, which simply can say image for candy shop. So this is a thumbnail image, and now we can add another div, and this is gonna be with the class caption. And here we can place the price, for example, and we can leave it in h3 tag. So I'll just cut it and place it right in the caption div over here. But I will style the h3 tag. I'll add a class that will be pull right, so the price will be on the right side of the whole caption. And after that we can display the name, so I'll cut this and place it right under it. But I want to have this as h3 tag as well. So we have the price, we have the name, and we can add the category, but actually, you know what, we don't want the category here. Let's just add the description. So that can be a paragraph, and it's gonna be the candy dot description. So this is gonna be a thumbnail, the image, the price, the name, and description, or whatever fits from the description in the thumbnail. Alright, so this is all for the styling. I think we are ready to run it and see if it looks any better. And I think it definitely looks better. We have the logo, we have the background, and the thumbnails. Of course, none of them is clickable yet, we didn't make them into links, but we just wanted to make sure that the layout is okay and everything fits in the page as it's supposed to. Alright, so everything is in the place and everything seems to be working as expected, so I think we are on the right track. So now it is time to bring in the big guns, meaning let's make our data persistent by using a database and have Entity Framework Core help us with it.